Ngatho munene undu wa gucoka Ndamani atariria gitumi kiao ta close friends to baby tops gukorwo makirega ku invite notable Kikuyu celebrities niguo makorwo makiattend birthday ino marakorirwo magikungwira hamwe ya muthoni wa Kirumba iria irakorirwo ikiattendwo only by a small group of Kikuyu entertainers. A lot has been going on in the entertainment industry gicigo giki kia Mlima kuria tukoretwo tukiona njatũkano nene riu Ndama akiuga they chose to only invite those supporting wa Kirumba's brand and aria makoretwo tu makihewa Kirumba mawira. And a notable person ukorirwo atagutigwo na thutha ni Ndama ni celebrity wiyumiritie na kayukio na njira nene muno. Triza mamake Muraya miaka ya hau kabere Ndama aronekanaga akiaga gutiga Karago wa Muraya na thutha no ithenya riake muturire-ini wa Ndama rikonekana kwiyukio ni Triza na o niguo Ndama and other Kikuyu key personalities makorwo magi celebrate wa Kirumba's bash.